And getting in news now, a grenade blast took place near Triveni Gate of an army camp in Pathankot. Further investigations are underway. The CCTV footages will be probed in detail. But yes, this is a development that has taken place. A grenade blast near Army Gate in Pathankot. All checkposts have been put on high alert. So this blast took place early this morning at the Indian Army's Triveni Gate near Pathankot's Dhirapul. Of course, first-hand information coming in, and we are waiting for more details. We will be going across to our reporters in just a bit. But according to sources, this grenade was hurled at the Army Station Gate by unknown people who came on a bike when a certain procession was passing from the area. Amandeep is joining us with more details. Amandeep, is that correct? What was really going on? What more do we know so far? We'll go across to Amandeep in just a bit. We seem to have lost that line. But yes, this is information coming in from Punjab. A grenade blast that has taken place near the Indian Army's Triveni Gate in the Pathankot Cant area. Amandeep, what more do we know?
Well, Christine, this incident reported late night, and in fact, a grenade was thrown. And meanwhile, when informed to police, senior police official immediately reached to the spot and started investigation. First part of investigation is to identify the intensity of that grenade. And second is they're trying to verify the CCTV footage from the nearby areas and also questioning the locals if anybody has seen these bike-borne people who are responsible behind this incident. Just because, Christine, this is not the first incident with a similar nature. Just days back, two bike-borne have also lobbed a grenade inside the CIA staff of Nawashehar, and that was blasted also with no loss of life. So similar incident happening outside the Indian Army Cant Gate, Triveni Gate in fact, and again two bike-borne throwing the grenade, similar kind of incident. So now police is trying to verify either it was a terror attack or it was some locals who are trying to create some kind of panic in the area. So Pathankot is the border area. They have already issued the alert in the nearby areas, and even the searches and raids are being carried out to verify who the people are, who all are involved behind this, and from where the grenade has come and how they have lobbed the grenade. So the entire investigation is under process, and even multiple agencies has been informed in Punjab. Intelligence agency, crime, and even state crime branch has also informed to active their sources to verify that how it happened. Just because so far police have no clue who is behind this incident. So far police have no leads that how it happened, but they are trying to investigate it. They will get possible leads soon. Yes, Christine.
All right, Amandeep, what about the security situation? We are being told that, of course, investigation is underway. The police force has been rushed to the spot. They're checking the CCTV footage, but we're also being told that several of those checkpoints across Pathankot have also been put on high alert.
Exactly. Not only checkpoints, the entire city has put on high alert. Just because Pathankot is a district city, and even especially these army and police checkpoints, they are on high alert. They are very much on high alert, and special security has been deployed outside there so that no similar incident should be repeated. And even the entire city is put on high alert. The outsiders who came into the city, in fact, their verification is being done, and even the locals who are having such kind of history of similar crime, even they are being questioned if they can get any leads. So now the investigation is dragging from the city to the nearby areas, just because it is just located on the international border with Pakistan. So this is very sensitive area, and even they are trying to get the information from the border nearby, the area nearby the fence also. The investigation will be dragged to Amritsar, just because this and even Nawashehar also. Surinder Lamba SSP Pathankot is trying to contact the Nawashehar SSP also, just because similar incidents happened there also. They are trying to share the information, so at least they can get some kind of leads to nab the accused. Yes, Christine.
All right. Fortunately, no injuries have been reported so far. Amandeep getting us all those details. We'll keep coming back to you. This is indeed a developing story. Thank you, Amandeep, for the moment.